In this tutorial, we'll show you how to swap the drive system on a 4-wheel drive Exway Atlas Pro. We'll be switching from the belt drivetrain to the gear drivetrain. The only tool you'll need is a standard skate tool. Note that the 2 gear drive assemblies are labeled FWD for front-wheel drive and RWD for rear-wheel drive. The front-wheel drivetrain goes on the front of the board, and the rear-wheel drivetrain goes on the rear. You can replace the front and rear drivetrains in either order. On one of the belt drive assemblies, start by removing the kingpin nut closest to the truck hanger. Remove the top washer and bushing, and then remove the hanger together with the rest of the assembly. Push the motor cables out of their holding clips and disconnect them. Now, we're ready to mount the gear drive assembly. Remember, front-wheel drive on the front and rear-wheel drive on the rear. Take the appropriate gear drive assembly and place its hanger onto the kingpin, and make sure that the pivot pin goes into the pivot cup. Place the bushing and washer back on, followed by the kingpin nut. Connect the motor cables. Externally rotate each cable, as shown here, until the arrows on the terminals line up. Be sure to secure the connection. Push the cables into their holding clips. The gear drivetrain is now installed for one side. Repeat these steps for the other side. Once both the front and rear drivetrains are installed, enter the Xskate app and select the gear drivetrain for your Atlas Pro. All done. See you in the next tutorial.